guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another coffee shop series video for you. It's gonna be a little bit different. I don't actually know if I'm gonna do a baked goods recipe in this one. I think I'm just gonna do coffee, and it's also like 9:40 on a Tuesday and I don't have any baking plans right now. The other day, Greg and I went to Starbucks for the first time in forever, and we got the toasted, or not, Greg didn't get it. I got the toasted vanilla shaken espresso, and I was so excited. When I heard about this drink, I was so on board because I loved the brown sugar shaken espresso. And I was like, toasted vanilla sounds amazing. Like, I was so on board. This drink was truly horrible. Like, I hated it so much. I could barely drink it at all. I drank maybe like 5 sips of it, and then I had to stop because it was so bad. I think their coffee isn't the best. Like, it tastes very burnt to me, but the syrup itself tasted like a candle. It reminded me kind of like the sugar cookie latte, which again, I didn't really like their version, and I made my own and it was much better. So I think I'm gonna try and make a toasted vanilla shaken espresso today. Okay, so for this latte syrup, I think I'm going to do, because at first I thought like toasted vanilla, and I was like, how do you toast vanilla? Now I'm thinking I'm gonna do like a toasted simple syrup and then just add vanilla flavoring to that, and not try and like add vanilla first and then like toast that, because I was kind of like, I don't really know how that would taste. So what I'm gonna do is like put the sugar in the pot, and instead of just adding sugar and water and then boiling it, I'm gonna like toast the sugar first, get it kind of like browned, and then make it into a syrup. Okay, so I'm going to do this in a frying pan because I want to have like the most surface area to toast the sugar. I'm gonna put it on high, but I'm just gonna like watch it really closely. Okay, so you can see as it melts, you want to keep a very close eye on it at this point, and it's gonna start darkening, so we really want it to be like a nice kind of toasted color. I just put the little heat vent on because it was starting to smoke. Okay, so I just added in the water. You want to add it carefully, and then your caramel likely will seize up a little bit, but you just want to kind of like leave it in there and stir it around until it fully dissolves into the water. And I have the heat on like medium high. Okay, there we go. So it's pretty much dissolved now. I have a little bit stuck to my spoon still, so you can just kind of like leave that in there, swirl it around. And then I'm gonna add a splash of vanilla. This looks very promising. Then you want to brew a shot of espresso, or you can do like a 1/4 cup of super strongly brewed coffee. Then you need a mason jar or like something with a lid. You want to add your espresso or coffee, 2 tablespoons of our toasted vanilla syrup, and it smells so good. And you just want to add that to the hot coffee so that it like mixes and doesn't like crystallize or anything. Just swirl that and shake it until it's foamy. See, it gets nice and foamy on top. Add that to your cup. And then just top it with some milk. So I'm using silk cashew milk, but if you want it to be super like Starbucks, then you do oat milk. Swirl it up. I tasted it, but it wasn't that sweet, but I honestly think it's because it wasn't like properly stirred. So I'm just trying to really mix it so that I can get a good feel for this syrup. So, okay, the thing about this is usually I try and make Starbucks copycat, meaning I try to make the drink taste like the Starbucks one, but since I didn't like the taste of the Starbucks one, I'm really hoping this doesn't taste like it and just tastes really good. Oh, it's so good. It definitely has a nice toasted flavor. I think you could go even more heavy on the vanilla if you wanted. but it's so nice. It's like you can actually taste the espresso, but it's not like overpowering or anything. And again, it's like nicely sweet without being like artificially candly tasting sweet. I just couldn't get over the taste of that one. Like it tasted so bad to me. So wanna try it, babe?
What is it?
It's toasted vanilla shaken espresso, my way.
Your way.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is good. Better than the other one that we had
I know.
from Starbucks.
Which tasted so
What did
bad.
you do different?
I made my own syrup.
Homemade always
gross.
works.
I know.
Much better.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in to another coffee shop series video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope if you, like me, were disappointed by the Starbucks toasted vanilla oat milk shaken espresso, that this one redeems it for you, because like I said, it is such a genius idea, and the idea of like toasted vanilla sounds so good. I didn't even know what to expect, but their version was just bad. So this is really good. It's just like, it's such an easy and fun recipe to make at home. And if you have any recommendations for future coffee shop videos, let me know. I'm trying to think of like what sweet I would pair with this. I honestly think like a vanilla bean cinnamon roll would be so good. Or I made this like cardamom pistachio pull apart bread for Sunday coffee a few weeks ago, and it was so good. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!